Rare and Mysterious Diseases Series, Chapter 16, Hiccup Crisis, Intractable Hiccups. A hiccup attack doesn't always last minutes. Sometimes it lasts years. There are people in the world who have hiccuped for over 60 years without stopping. Chronic hiccups can be triggered by anything from neurological disorders to extreme stress. In some cases, no treatment works, while in others, a tiny nerve intervention brings complete relief. The mysterious world of medicine continues. Like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts.